How to fix No NordVPN config error when connecting Linux to NordVPN via IKev2 MSCHAPv2 protocol. This is an alternative way to set up the IPsec.conf file. Step 5 on Nord's main tutorial. If you are experiencing issues connecting with IKev2 on Linux and receiving the no config named NordVPN error after running the ipsec up NordVPN command, set up the IPsec.conf file manually by running the following commands in the terminal: sudo printf %s\n/t con nordvpn chi exchange equals IKev2 daction equals cleared delay equals 300 eap underscore identity equals username left auth equals eap MSCHAPv2 left equals %default root left source equals %config right equals fi2.nord.com right auth equals pubkey right subnet equals 0.0.0.0/0 right it equals %fi2.nord.com right ca equals /etc/ipsec.d/cassert/nordvpn.peb type equals tunnel auto equals add/etc/ipsec.conf. Make sure to replace username and server, which is in our case fi2.nordvpn.com. After that, restart the IPsec restart and start up the IPsec connection, IPsec up NordVPN.